Come on. Y'all don't mind my pillows. Oh, looks like you got a little... Well, I guess you do have a feather right there. Never in my life did I think I would have a parrot on my shoulder that loves to have the back of his head scrubbed. Hey, you, don't be talking like that. That's rude. What is that? Who is that little stupid? What is it? Oh. Uh-oh. He's going, stay away. Yeah. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter. Come on. Peter Piper. When he's not in front of the camera, he or she, whatever, just won't shut up. But of course, I cut the video on, and then it's all camera shot. Peter Piper. Give me, hold my finger. You're gonna pull my finger? Ow! Ah. Give me your toes. Give me your toes. I've been trying to teach him pull my finger. Yep. One of these days when I have this bird fully trained, I'm going to be walking around, rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice, laid back. And then Holly's going to be like, with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Uh-huh. Yeah, you tell him. Is that, you just silently going to tell him? Just mouth the words? Yeah. 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 Blue-fronted Amazon. This bird is 45 years old and still got quite a ways to go, according to the vet. Yep. Some of them can live like 80 years. Yep. Holly still got plenty of life left in her. I go back and forth between him and her because you have to have a DNA test to find out the gender. That's right. That's right. You tell him. Jeepers? Jeepers creepers. That was mean. I didn't teach this bird to talk like that, y'all. It's awful. Sometimes. You can't talk like that. Be nice. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Are you a good boy? How you doing? What's the matter? Huh? You're just gonna let me get that beak? Let me get that beak? Yeah. Yeah, give me that beak. Give it to me. No, not your foot. I want your beak. Yeah, I'll take the foot too. Footsies. Haha, you bit your own ankle. Give me this beak. Give it to me. No, but I want your beak. Stupid bird. Give it to me. Oh. Instead, I get to scrub the back of its head. Never thought in a million years that I'd be doing this every day. Holly hates everyone and everything but me. Yeah, it's my buddy. You like that right there? Was that your spot? Yeah. That's when you're supposed to start kicking the leg out and being like, whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Come on. Why you gotta be so camera shy? What the fuck? Mm. Yeah, what? Come on, why you gotta be so camera shy? 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 Why you gotta be so I got your beak. I got your beak. Ah. You gonna pull my finger? Pull my finger. Yeah. Are you gonna get on my hand? Yeah. Get your butt out of my face. That's just rude. Thank you. Don't fall now. Just had the claws clipped, so I can't really grip that well. Will you get on my hand? Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You're there. Yeah. Yeah. La 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 la. Are you gonna come over to this side now, huh? Yeah. Smack me with your wings. Hey, Holly. You play? Yeah. Never seen nothing like it. Yeah. And even if you sit there and just stroke its head, it likes that too, but it really likes it when you get up underneath the feathers and just kind of root around with your fingers and your thumb. It loves it. It'll sit there all day and just let you scrub and scrub and scrub. But you got to stay within a certain area or he's going to come up and he's not going to be happy. Yeah, you heard. Huh? What's that you say? Howdy. I love you. I love you. I said I love you. You better tell him how it is. Come on, Ollie. Don't put up with that. Yeah. You better, yeah, that's right. Open up the beak and go, hi, Holly. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Uh-huh. Peter Piper. Really? You're just going to leave me hanging? Peter Piper. Peter Piper. You're being a douche. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Mwah. Kisses. Got him. Oh, look, she's being bashful. Hey, look. Ah! Yeah. It's going to stop. I got you in the belly. In the belly. Oh. It won't really bite me. If it wanted to, I would have lost my finger. I did just get its beak clipped, shaved. Give me your foot. I like your foot. Yeah. That's someone. But you think, die. Die. The bird will tell you to die. It'll call you an asshole. All kinds of different stuff. I love this bird.